सही तो है।
See, sustainability, because the entire Rajasthan is declared as ODF. So when you have a program in front of you, some campaign in front of you, then you have energy and you keep monitoring it. Okay. So once certain things are achieved, then what else? Okay. So if you don't monitor it and don't keep the same kind of energy, then the tempo that you have kept, it goes down. So similarly, the same measures that we have done to achieve the open defecation free status, vigilance committee, Swachhata Grahis, making it a point, it is not a scheme, it is a abhiyan, it's a campaign. I mean, it is a community led movement. So the community should always be active to ensuring that, and to use our district resource group. So we have a resource group is very well trained, and if we don't use them, then there is I mean, one, that resource is not used no more. Second, how to keep that tempo, I mean, that tempo kept at a steady pace. So we keep on doing some or other event during any program that comes up. So we have done the IEC and the publicity of the open defecation free plus becoming an ODF plus sustainability. So we are ensuring that Nigarani Samitis are still active, that cleanliness and use of toilet is a standing issue, standing agenda in all the Gram Panchayat meetings or in all the Panchayat level meetings, like Gram Panchayat, block level Panchayat meetings or the Jilla Parishad meeting. It's a standing agenda. And to make it a part that we go for community, like the schools are involved, that we use the events like rallies or in all the programs that we conduct. So this toilet, use of toilet, open defecation free is an agenda. And now we are still conducting the survey to see what happened. Say when we are building, when we build the toilet, we are putting pressure to build the toilet. What happened is, like 20 to 30% people, see, they didn't actually build the sanitary toilets. They built a toilet, but it was not a sanitized toilet. It was not a two-pit toilet. And we also do the survey to identify the defunct toilets. We try to get that status. And last time when we conducted a survey, we had 6,000 defunct toilets. 6,000 odd, we will give you the figure, 6,000 defunct toilets. The people have built the toilet, but they are not using the toilet. So we have to do the motivation again. So we're still doing it. We'll keep on doing the survey, and then we have found out that survey. And we have found out the people who don't have the toilet still now. We have identified around 3,000 people, 2,900 people who don't have the toilet. So we have come up with an idea that not we, the central government has come up with that idea. No one left out of the benefit. No one left, NOLB. No one left out. So the goal is to cover each and every individual. Everybody is covered. So we keep building that tempo. We keep revisiting. So that's how we keep that idea. And the water is a problem, no doubt. But everyone can intelligently use the water. If you keenly observe, most of them misuse the water. We have initiated that thing in the similar fashion. Like we have identified, if we are able to construct toilet each and every individual, and the use of toilet. Use of toilet is not is not a government scheme. It's a behavioral change, that we are bringing a behavioral change in the mind of the people. In the people, the villagers, they are getting a change in their behavior. They are going today. They are going to defecate openly. Tomorrow they don't go. There is some kind of change in their behavior. So that behavior change comes from either by the training, or either by somebody telling them, or to have an alternative thing. So plastic use,
the big opportunity, and this is why this excites me, because it tells me here's an opportunity for us to completely reinvent sewage treatment. And the reason is that if you look at the way the Western world has done its sewage treatment, it's a flush toilet based system. It's a system which is based on a little bit of human excreta and a lot of clean water to use to flush, to convey, to dispose of. In our countries, we don't have the amount of water to be able to do that. So if you were to think differently and think that after all, our countries have today jumped the landline route. All of us are using mobile phones. Okay? When I'm old enough to tell you that when we only had these landline mobile telephones,